Smart Home Award Europe, Flanders House by Domo Technology in Belgium. This residential project designed by Saota, an award-winning architecture firm from Cape Town, proved that KNX is ideal to answer the client's high standards on elegance and comfort. KNX is used to control everything, from the lighting to the integration of the geothermal heat pump. Every element is designed to ensure optimal energy efficiency for heating and cooling the villa, the indoor swimming pool, and the koi pond. The KNX installation was especially set up to be very user-friendly and almost invisible to the residents. Key features are over 60 kilometers of electrical wiring, emphasizing the scale and complexity of the project's implementation. Climate control via ventilation system with adiabatic humidification and geothermic heat pump for energy-efficient heating and cooling. KNX-controlled EV chargers in underground parking with RGBW-LED strips indicating charging status. Temperature-controlled koi pond and a movable floor indoor swimming pool with RGBW lighting controlled via KNX.